Hey everybody, it's Brad at Dayport Brothers LLC out in Versailles, Ohio. Going to do another walk around video followed by an operational video on this 2016 Bobcat T590 that came in and we're putting up for sale. Like always, I'll walk around, I'll get close to everything, show you everything I see, talk about the features and functions, then we'll start it up, move it forward, backwards, load her up and down, bucket in and out, kind of run it through its paces. As always, if you are in the market for a used skid steer or a used piece of construction or farm equipment, please subscribe to the channel, like our video. All your subscriptions and the likes help other people who are looking for similar things find our videos, so they're truly appreciated. Like I said, this one's a 2016 Bobcat T590, cab heat, sticks and pedals controls, 2,100 pound lift capacity. This one has 1,676 hours. I just drove it around. I went over and I pushed into the gravel pile. The hydraulics are nice and strong. Both drive motors are nice and strong. When I pushed into the gravel pile, it spun both tracks really good and strong. It lifted a full load of gravel. As you can see, tread life on these tracks is still pretty darn good. There's a few little nicks in them here and there. Nothing out of the ordinary for a used set of tracks, but there's a lot of life left. Sprockets are in good shape. This side rail here still has a lot of the paint on it. Not terrible back here, not all scratched up. Still retains a lot of the white paint back here behind the tracks. As you can see, the white paint's fairly bright. Pretty straight over here. The back door's in good shape. Paint's pretty bright on that, and it's not bent up or bowed up. Doesn't look like it's been backed in anything hard like you see a lot of times. A few little scratches here and there on that, but this top's in good shape. Same thing up here. Down on this side again, paint's good here. Again, this side of the track, tread depth is good. Pretty good back here. Few scratches, but nothing out of the ordinary. Again, sprockets on this side are good, and most of the paint here on this side rail. Front and rear idlers look good. When I pushed into the gravel pile and I used the hydraulics to lift this up, there's a tiny little bit of play in these pins, but they're not awful at all. We've had way worse. They're pretty decent. Bucket straight. Go take a look inside the engine compartment here. All right. As you can see here, everything's nice and clean in here as it should be. Nice and dry. Side of the block's good. There's not a lot of oil or diesel running down it or anything. Pretty clean back here. Back side of the door's in good shape. Sorry if my audio is a little bad today. It's really windy out here, so we'll go take a look inside the cab. Up here, that step's in pretty good shape. A few little spots where the paint's chipped off here. Nothing out of the ordinary on a used machine. The front glass is good. The seat is in good shape. There are no cuts or tears here in the seat. Everything's good over here. Back here's good. Down here, this floor's good. Both the handles are in good shape on the sticks. Sit down in here. Everything's good on this side. Same thing over here. Your heat controls. Let's see. Throttle. Like I said, 1,676 hours. Everything looks good from back here. I don't notice any cracks or welds or plates anywhere on the loader arms or the skid steer mount bracket or anything like that, so All right, like I said, this one's a 2016 with 1,676 hours. We'll get right into an operational video.